Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video with InShOT. So if you got a watermark on your video and want it gone, InShOT will make it super easy for you to remove watermark with just a few taps. And let's dive in the steps using this tutorial. So the first method that you can do is just crop it out, and it's best for watermark placed near the edges of the video. So here you can just open InShOT, and now you can go to a new project and open the video. So let's say I want to edit this videos right here, and this video got watermark at the bottom left corner. Now you can just tap on canvas and adjust the aspect ratio. You can use the crop tool to remove the watermark. So you can just make it bigger like this, for example, and now the watermark will be disappear. Okay, so that's the first method. It is best of videos where cropping won't affect important content. And the next method, you can cover it up. You can use stickers or tags to hide the watermark in here. So you can tap on the stickers on or tags. Here I'm going to just use sticker. Then you can just place a shape, emoji, or your own logo over the watermark. For example, in here, let's just find the stickers to cover it up. Okay, I'm going to download this social media sticker first, and I'm going to use one of the stickers. Let's say I'm going to use this subscribe sticker. So you can just put the sticker here at the bottom to cover the watermark. Tap on a check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length of the sticker so that it matches with the video duration. So now it will look like this. And for the final thoughts, if you need a quick fix, you can just use the crop to crop the watermark out. But if you want a clean look, you can just cover it up with tags or stickers like I did before. So that's all from me. Now you're all set to create watermark-free videos like a pro. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.